our entire project in Assam, our entire mobilization of local team began with the first list of the draft list of the NRC coming out, and the figures in that were staggering. The population of Assam is 3.3 crores roughly, and that list shook many of us up in the human rights community because it showed that 1.3 crores, that's almost a third plus of the population, was going to be rendered citizenship less.
Day in, day out, the CJP team has been working across 10 districts in Assam to provide relief to those going through the dreaded citizenship test. In addition to extending legal aid and facilitating administrative processes, we have been taking a holistic approach to assist those grappling with the NRC. This year was no different.
सिटीजन फॉर जस्टिस एंड पीस लगातार कई सालों से असम में काम कर रहे हैं। एनआरसी के समय पे हो या उसके बाद कोविड-19 के समय रेशन देने का काम हो, एनआरसी में जो लोगों को इकट्ठा करना, उनका फॉर्म फिलअप करना या तो अप्लाई करना, ये सभी प्रोसेस का काम सीजीपी ने किया था। इसके अलावा भी डी वोटर, अभी रेफरेंस बॉर्डर रेफरेंस केस, डी वोटर केस, फॉरेनर्स ट्राइब्यूनल एक्ट में जितना भी केस हो, या तो नए करके अभी पासपोर्ट एक्ट का जो केस है, उनका जितना भी विक्टिम्स है उनको लीगल एड देने का काम सीजीपी कर रही है।
Our hard work, thousands of miles of journeys every single day through floods and broken roads were rewarded when 18 people were declared Indian in 2023 after we fought their cases in the foreigners' tribunals. Our team continuously provided psychological counseling for individuals battling suicidal thoughts and family-based counseling to women facing familial disputes. Most of them belong to marginalized communities. Some begged for a living, some daily wage workers, some frail and differently abled, with no means to fight for their citizenship. While we are constantly working with individual cases, we have also been working on wider jurisprudential issues. As part of our efforts to bring out the flaws within existing laws, such as the NRC and CAA, we have been actively involved in identifying their inadequacies. We have also been corresponding with the national and district level legal aid authorities and filed a PIL in the Guwahati High Court to ensure quality legal aid to those excluded from the NRC. We also conducted an independent survey of 10 districts in Assam to assess the level of preparedness for these district legal services.
सीजीपी ने इस साल भी एक लीगल वर्कशॉप किया है और जिसके कारण अभी एफटी में केस हैंडल करने के लिए बहुत इजी हो चुका है, क्योंकि जब वर्कशॉप हो चुका था उसमें जो सीजीपी से जुड़ा हुआ एडवोकेट से वो आए थे, लॉ स्टूडेंट भी आए थे और पैरालीगल वॉलंटियर्स भी आए थे।
We also brought to light the lack of time for an NRC excluded person to arrange for funds and lawyers, as they are required to file an appeal within 120 days. We urged the state to ensure appointments of more lawyers who are trained in laws related to the Indian Citizenship Act, Indian Evidence Act, and the Foreigners Act of 1946. We also filed a public interest petition before the Guwahati High Court, taking up the cause of those left out from the Aadhaar enumeration even after being included in the NRC.
एनआरसी से नाम एक्सक्लूड होने के वजह से कुछ जगह पर लड़कियों की शादी नहीं होती और आधार कार्ड कैंसिल होने के वजह से महिलाओं को कोई भी सरकारी सुविधा, सरकारी घर, रेशन कार्ड नहीं मिल रहा है।
ভোট দিয়ে একদম সকলেই তার হয়েছি ভোট দিয়ে দমগা এর মধ্যে শুনি বলে ভোটের বাস্ক আসে নাই আমরা দুধ করে আসছি এই ওদিনই।
তারপরে কি হইলো ওদিনকার? ওই যে আগুন লাগাইছে দিল,
আগুন লাগাই দিল, আমরা গেলাম গা, সব ক্ষতি হয়েছে, ধান চাল
সব পুড়ে গেছে।
আমরা এরা জিনিস নিয়ে ফেনি।
We have also been trying to mitigate the effects of communal propaganda that is sown through a web of misinformation on the internet to avoid any instances of communal violence. This year, in a welcome news for families of 47 inmates of detention camps in Assam, the Supreme Court has now ordered that they be reunited with their families in 7 days. CJP's work with those wrongfully jailed in detention camp continues to this date. Our legal help has enabled more than 52 of them to walk out of these dreaded detention centers.
It's also this experience that we are gaining. And that's, I think, another thing that our young team is able to do, that because we document, because we have regular interactions and meetings, our future interventions get informed by the past. So we keep progressing in the way we are intervening. It's not that we are static, that we've chosen this one path and we stick to it. We learn from it, we feel that maybe there's a better way of doing it, and therefore let's move on.
Perhaps our most cherished action is dealing with each victim with dignity and respect, keeping individuals, especially women, children, and the marginalized, as central to our work. And we hope to continue our journey of working with them in the coming year.
मेरा 3 लड़का 2 लड़का है, बाद में ये भी हमारा लड़का 3 लड़का। अभी कोई भी पूछता है ना, हम 3 लड़का 1 लड़की।
Join our mission in Assam. Join those who need us to fight for their citizenship.